What's up everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to be doing Whitebeard from the One arc. So it's when he's young. So kind of close up on his face, because the characters like Whitebeard have massive bodies. Like his shoulders are crazy wide. So it was either a really small head and like fit in his shoulders, or like focus on the face. And you know, I thought it'd be kind of cool to just focus on the face for this one anyway. I could probably do more of his body in another drawing, but his head would be tiny. So that's the problem we have with characters like Whitebeard, and there's a lot of characters in One Piece like that. We'll get on with it. So center point of my page is approximately here. I'd say that's where his nose will be, and we just come up a little bit over to the right hand side. We start with the eyes. So we're going to curve it up like so, and then flat across. Well, diagonal, but just a flat line. It's not curved. And then the back eyelid is curved, so it comes down like so. And then we'll bring it across the bottom to there. His iris, pretty small, sort of circle just here, like so, and his pupil in the center. Okay. His eyebrow then just above that, so you just could do kind of a tick sort of thing. Relatively small eyebrows, maybe a little bit thicker down here, thin at the back. And then his eyelid line just comes across the top there. And then we go over and do the other eye. So measure the width of your eye. That's how far you come over. And that's where the next eye starts. So you can fit an eye in between the eyes. That's the main thing to remember, okay, in this anime. Some animes are not in proportion, but One Piece, for a lot of the characters, they are. Here to here, same as here to here, and then we go up and over again. Like so. And you're just sort of lining them up, the tops, yeah, straight across. And then we go down the back, and then we bring it across. So, and then his iris and his pupil again. So we do like a small circle just there, and then pupil in the middle. Eyebrow. Here. Like so. Can be sort of thicker at this end. And then eyelid comes across there. So Whitebeard's nose comes down just there, slightly over to the left, straight line down, and then we got like an arrow pointing down just here. Across. Up, like so. And then his nostrils on the side. And we got some more wrinkles and stuff around his eyes. So some frown lines just here on his nose. That kind of thing. Underneath his eye, just some details here. Like so. And at the tops of these lines, we've got like veins on his forehead, or like frowns on his forehead, like that. Okay, so now that big bone or something that he has across his face, right? So I guess it'd be useful to figure out where we're stopping. So we're going to go there, I'd say. So we're out real wide, okay? So there to there. So we're up above his eyes. We're probably above those veins as well, okay? And we're about here for the bottom part of it. Okay, so we'll do that big half moon shape first. So that, and just sort of checking as we go. Like so. And then we go down the other side. Like that. It's a pretty tricky shape to draw. So, you know, take your time, sketch it out a couple of times. You know, don't be ashamed of having to redo anything. Trust me, I redo things all the time on this. I'm just able to edit out a video. So, you know, even if you think I'm doing it first try, no problem. Most of the time I'm not. So that's the kind of shape we're going for, okay? And then we'll go the other side underneath his nose. To there. And then we'll go out the other side. So we'll go. Trying to keep it the same width the whole way across, but it's tricky, I know. Not bad. Like that. Right, so now big smile underneath that. Like so. And then teeth. Like so. And he's got a big jaw, right? So, and a big chin. So his chin is like down here. Right, like down there. And proportion-wise, the bottom half of Whitebeard's face seems to be like bigger than the top. So like, see? So like, it's tricky to get like proportion. So I'd say like eyes to the bottom of his nose, right, is about the same as bottom of his nose to his bottom lip, right? So his bottom lip is sort of here somewhere. It's got like two lines sort of coming down that way, right? So the eyes to the bottom of the nose is about the same as bottom of nose to that bottom lip area here. Okay, so that's the kind of proportion you're going for. It's tricky with Whitebeard because the bottom half of his face is bigger, right? So his jaw then will come up the side like so. Okay, and we'll go up the other side here. And then he's got some more sort of lines just for that bottom lip sort of that sticks out just here. Okay, but like roughly, pupil to the bottom of his nose, about the same as bottom of his nose to just the middle of his chin or the bottom lip area. Okay, just about. So the bottom of his nose is about halfway between eye and this bottom, just the bottom lip here, roughly. And then we'll go up and find the top of his head, right? So the top of his head, his forehead is like here, right? So his hairline is here. Here to here, his teeth, right? Eyes to teeth, about the same as eyes to forehead. Right, so that's your sort of proportion, and then you get the hairline coming across, zigzag sort of area coming across here, okay? Like so. And then he's got like real long hair, okay? So it comes down this way. Sometimes it goes over his mustache, and then sometimes it goes like down, like real far behind it. This one comes behind it. So he's long, sort of flowing blonde hair. This kind of thing. This one will go over the bone. Like so. Oh, and he's like some wrinkles here on the side of his face again. So the top of his head then just up a little bit, just here, and then it'll come down like this. Same on the other side. Just kind of goes out that way. And then more long hair, basically. Loads of hair that comes down across his shoulders. Kind of waving out like so. Comes down to sort of spikes down here. And then like another one. Coming up. Like so, and then some more texture lines. More texture lines and things. Here, maybe another long sort of strand coming down his head. Spike back up. There. Something else in there. Like so. Maybe a part in the middle of his head. And some more lines coming down this way. Like so. And then similar hair coming down this way. Waving pieces of hair. Like so. This is actually a neckline, so his neck is in there. So we got like a line here for neck, and then the hair. This is hair, and then it comes down to a spike like there. Yeah, and then you just kind of keep kind of building, waving, like so. Adding a couple of texture lines every now and then. Like that. And then another one sticking out there. And then another sort of bump. There, right? And then he has big collar sticking out, right? So maybe another piece of hair or something there. And then his collar sticks out, goes off that way. So he's like, he's got a green shirt and then a green collar. Oh, actually, more hair first. Bit wider, bit more hair on that side. And then green shirt goes down that way. Right, okay. Right, and we'll add some like neck muscle lines just in here. Like so, and coming down towards his collarbones. Just here in the middle. So collarbones then will, well, chest there, so that means collarbones have to be here. Go across like so. Like that. And so green shirt line, green shirt side there, and maybe you should have another part of his green shirt coming that way, and then like chest. Yeah, this is like green shirt, 4 lines on it, and then he's a big collar coming in this way, like a big massive collar that goes down off my page. And the other side, so we got like some, on this side we got like some hair on it here, and then the collar comes out like so, goes down off my page there, and it's like floral, it's got like flowers on it and stuff. So that's hair, and then some more hair here on top, going down behind the collar. So this has like a golden rim and edge, so kind of like there, and then it'll come back in, and then it goes out this way, so we'll go out like so. Does it curve down? It kind of curves down on the side. And then this will go down that way. And then so it's like a line in there. Like so. And then this curves down that way. We do pretty much that over here as well. So the top of it will go like to here, and then so it'll come out same-ish level, down that way, and then we do outside line, back around it there, down, and then the inside comes down that way, and then maybe a line for the inside, just there. So that's that big collar. It comes out to a spike just off the edge of my page. I couldn't fit it in, but feel free if you want to get it in yourself. That's like so his collarbones come out, maybe out that way. It's a real big chest on Whitebeard, crazy big. And right, so those flowers, sort of cartoonish, simple, you know, kitty kind of flowers. And they're just all over this. That one's terrible. But, let's see, we'll add just another one in sort of here. So, and then around the other side. Okay, I think that's finally everything. How to draw Edward Newgate or Whitebeard from One Piece. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.